Hi and welcome to Entropolis. This is your Kidpreneur Challenge Command Center, where you will source all the materials you need to run the challenge, as well as finding additional resources, communicate with your students, and network with other teachers and entrepreneurs for help and advice. So you have just clicked on Start here, and it's brought you to this video. So let's go through the key features, first of all, of your dashboard. Which will be your main area where you work. Within the dashboard, you can edit your profile and view your directory profile, so how others see you. You can add the students who will be taking part in the challenge. You can give us suggestions and feedback, which will go directly to us here at HQ. And right over here, you'll see the Activities tab. This is a message board where you will see all the messages from Entropolis HQ and any messages being sent to you directly from other Entropolis users. Under the People tab, this will contain a list of all the people that you have connected with inside Entropolis. And the final tab is Kid Activity, which shows you the activities of your students inside Entropolis. Scrolling down, we have a dynamic counter to show you how many people are active in Entropolis. And further down again, you can see Ask for Advice, which is where you can see and ask questions to the Entropolis community. You can also ask for advice here on the main Ask for Advice page. Here you can see all questions and answers posted as well as your own, and you can use these tabs to navigate. Underneath that, you will find Knowledge Bank. So Knowledge Bank is where you will find over 20,000 pieces of content and advice to help you and your students. All of the advice is categorized for a much easier search. And you can further refine again by clicking on any of these three areas. So educator experience is advice from teachers. Mentor advice is articles and features from entrepreneurs and businesses. And favorites is where you can also where you will find articles which you have marked as a favorite from those you've read previously. Next, you'll see directory. Directory is, which as you might guess, a directory of all Entropolis users that you can search through and you can connect with. And underneath that, we have account settings, which has all of your details, which you can amend at any time using the update button. And here finally, we have tutorials. And it's here you can find more videos that will give you in-depth guidance and instructions on how to use Entropolis, as well as how to get the most out of the Kidpreneur Challenge. Finally, if we go back up to the top, you will see KidChal Toolkit. This is your Kidpreneur Challenge Toolkit. From here, you can download all the modules, videos, and worksheets for the Kidpreneur Challenge. And this will be the place where you'll probably go to next if you don't need more tutorial. So that's the end of this quick start guide. Again, you can now choose to go back to tutorials and look through some of the other lessons on how to use the website, or you can just get started and download your Kidpreneur Challenge. Okay, good luck. Thank you.